Windscreen Replacement Allambie Heights. From minor chips to complete glass changes, iCare Windscreens offers windscreen replacement. Allambie Heights vehicle owners depend on for safety and precision. Our windscreen repair Allambie Heights service is ideal for fixing small cracks before they spread. We also provide side window replacement. Allambie Heights residents need to restore vehicle integrity using durable tempered glass. For larger vehicles, our truck and bus windscreen Allambie Heights solutions are designed to meet strict safety standards while withstanding harsh road conditions across commercial fleets and heavy-duty use.